This is the bag, and we're going to try now to make keychain flower for this bag. This is the bag, this neat liner, the handle down, this side different flower, but both of them same instruction. Now we're going to the keychain. Okay, so keychain. How we do keychain? Oh, like this. We're doing the chain one. You see the magic ring, chain one, and another chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one. We're gonna have 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here gonna be 5 because we did chain one. We close and we change color. Okay, it's gonna be changing color to the, for example, pink, matching our bag, and you do this, attach new color, cut the pink one, get away from bother you, and making 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. In the same space you're doing poof stitch, yarn over, inside, pull out, yarn over, inside, pull out, yarn over, inside, pull out, 3, maybe 4 times, close. Look, that's how you close to the last 2 and last 2. Then you're doing 1, 2, 3. To close to petal, you put in the same space. You have 1 petal. You go to another one, chain one place, remember, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the last. 1, 2, 3, same space, and slip stitch to the next. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using 7mm, I guess. Let me see. I didn't say it. The hook. Yeah, 7mm I use. I grab whichever was on my desk. I think it's fine. Tight is good. Like this. And 1, 2, 3 in the same space. Move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Pull, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3. You see? And we're doing the last one, petal. If we have another one, we can make one more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You see? I don't like that. No, I need to make it tie. 2, 3, 4. Because of that knot was tight. 1, 2, 3. Put the same space and you connect to the first one petal. Your petal is ready. You pull this for your bag, you see, long enough. Okay, you pull it, then you go to the somewhere over here and make it single crochet, pull, cut, hide them through the petals like this. You see? Okay. Cut the excess. Make sure this will be height. Okay, this, and this is your keychain. I show you how to attach that keychain. For example, you have the bag, you see, you have your bag, you have the handle, you can attach everywhere or on the handle. Oh, sorry, you do this, you see, you do this. Oh, you cannot see. Camera. One more time. Attach to the handle or attach to the bag, whichever you prefer. Let's attach to the bag because it's my bag. You see, you pull here, and you pull inside, hold this flower, and you tie it up. That's your petal. You see? Has been attached. You can attach to the handle. Then you have keychain. It's called keychain, but it's decorative. This you can do shorter, whichever you prefer. But this is how go keychain and bag. See, this is the bag. Then put on another side, on this side. See.